To make this stew, you need some peppers, habanero chili peppers, some tomatoes, some yellow pepper, some onions, some gino, tomato paste, corned beef, eggs, fish, and chicken. So you rinse your pots, wash your chicken clean, put it in the pot, wash it very clean, add some water inside, and start spicing it. So here I have my garlic powder, my onions powder, my chives rings, my curry powder. I added my cloves in it as well, some ginger powder, some chicken spice, and crushed pepper. Added salt to taste and Maggi seasoning cube. After doing that, I added some water inside the pot, and after that I put it on the stove to cook. So you know it's cooked when it is soft. Then here I'm blending my pepper in my blender. I use this lovely blender that blends the pepper well. And here I'm checking my chicken to see that it's tender, and I saw it wasn't tender, then I closed it. Here I'm putting the oil, frying my onions, make sure the onions is properly fried. Then here I added my gino tomatoes and made it fry. Here I added my corned beef. While cooking this, I injured my hand, so that's why I have a plaster on my hand. So here you keep stirring your corned beef and your pepper with everything, the onions, the corned beef and the pepper. Afterwards, you keep stirring till it is well fried. Then you introduce your tomatoes inside. Once you introduce your tomatoes, you stir it, you keep stirring it, and you cover the pot. After covering the pot, you open it up again, stir, keep stirring it. I noticed that the oil was not enough, so I added some more oil just so that it can fry properly. Kept frying it, and I covered the pot again to let it simmer. Yeah, I opened the pot to add some spices, and I blended some pepper, the pepper mix that I showed you earlier. I blended it, so I added it after adding Maggi, and just it there. Yeah, I continued stirring, ensuring that it is well, because I did not blend the tomatoes, so I have to make sure the tomatoes are soft. And here I started adding my spices, the same spices that I added in my chicken. I just added some of them again. This is my garlic. I added that as well. Yeah, I added my stock, my meat stock, added my Maggi cubes, added some peppers, added salt, kept stirring it. And time to break the egg. So I breaked a lot of eggs inside the stew, covered it to cook. Yeah, I'm showing you my chicken from the air fryer. I stirred the egg with the stew, kept stirring it well, and covered it again so that it can cook very well. And yeah, stirred again, kept stirring. After stirring, I added the chicken to marry the stew, and so that it can bring out some flavor. It can enhance the flavor of the food. I like using my air fryer to roast the chicken. It makes it really crisp and tasty, and I don't put all my chicken inside the stew. I put only some and keep the rest outside. So yeah, that's all.